Hi, welcome to 4809 Sunset Stream Drive in Fuquay-Varina. This home has site-finished hardwoods throughout the first floor, part of the second, a gourmet kitchen with a huge island, really great breakfast area overlooking an almost acre backyard. You're gonna love the stone fireplace, the open floor plan. There's a formal dining room and also a home office on the first floor. Other benefits in this house, you have a first floor master and first floor laundry room and a huge 3-car garage. On the second floor, you have this huge bonus room, 3 additional bedrooms, 2 more baths, walk-in storage, and a huge hallway landing so it feels nice and open up here. In my opinion, this is the best lot in the entire neighborhood. You're on 0.88 acres and look at the view. For your own private showing or more information, call me at 919-332-5447.